masala tea. So, first you have to take half cup water. I will put it in. Then we will put one small. Now I am going to put ginger and long elaichi. So guys, I have crushed three of them. Now I am going to put it in. So guys, you can see it has boiled little bit. Now I have put it in. So guys, now it has get more boiled. So I put tea in it. Now when the boil comes up, then I will put salt. And we have to put sugar and milk, half cup milk. Now I will put sugar in it. One tablespoon sugar I will put. Now I will put milk. It is half cup milk. So guys, after 2-3 minutes, the boil will come. Then we will put the flame at medium. So guys, now it has got little bit boil. So I will put the flame at medium. So guys, wonderful smell. This. So hello guys, now the color has come little bit brown. So I will. So guys, please make this tea and enjoy your day.